guys, it's your boy, J-Sharky57 here, and today we're doing another video. And this video is called, you might see it on the description down below. And you'll see it pop up right now, and it'll be up there. It'll be right up there. And you'll see it right there, like, right there. Leave that like 3, 2, 1. Leave that like right there. You'll see it there. So yeah, today, it's a surprising day. Surprising day. You guys will not believe me, but a YouTuber, not a YouTuber, I got this at 7-Eleven for $10. Let's see. And yes, it is. It's a white fidget spinner. And I will take it out. Oh, look at this. Look at this. My friends have these. Oh, like, where'd you sell these? You know, like 7-Eleven. I was like, oh, okay. So, yeah. If you want these, buy it at 7-Eleven, $10, and yeah. See you guys later. Woo!